In this video, we'll be discussing about alligation method, which is a part of pharmaceutical calculations. It is a rapid means of calculation when a preparation of intermediate strength is desired by mixing two preparations of lower and higher strengths respectively. So what we desire here is to make intermediate strength by mixing lower and higher strengths. And we express these in percentage, the lower higher strengths or the required strength. For the purpose of calculation, we'll write it as a special something like formula. RS is the required strength, LS is the lower strength, and HS is the higher strength. And in the lower part, it is higher strength minus required strength. That would be the figure there. And on the left side, we have required strength minus lower strength. So this helps us to get the intermediate or the required strength. Practicing a problem will help you understand this better. So let's look at a problem here. How will you prepare 200 ml of 40% alcohol from 60% and 10% alcohol? Here the required strength is 40% and 60% is the higher strength and lower strength is 10%. So let's get started. First, we write the required strength in the middle as we have learned before. That is 40% here. And on the left side, upper part, it is 60%, which is the highest strength. And on the right side, it is the 10% lower strength. Now, on the left lower side, 40 minus 10, which is the required strength, minus the lower strength, which would be equal to 30 parts. And on the right lower side, it is higher strength minus required strength. That is 60 minus 40, which is equal to 20 parts. So now it is pretty much easy. We have to mix 20 parts of 10% and 30 parts of 60% to prepare 200 ml of 40%. So 30 plus 20 is equal to 50 parts, and 50 parts means 200 ml. And so one part is equal to, and here it is not 240, it is 200, okay? Now one part is equal to 200 divided by 50, which would be equal to 4 ml. So one part here is equal to 4 ml. And so 30 parts of 60% alcohol, as we've got from before, is equal to how much? What is one part? So 30 into 4 equal to 120 ml, since one part is equal to 4 ml. So 30 parts of 60% alcohol is 120 ml. Now 20 parts of 10% alcohol. Now again, one part is 4, so it is 20 multiplied by 4, which would be equal to 80 ml. So now we know how much of 60% alcohol and 10% should be mixed to get 200 ml of 40% alcohol. Okay, so now this 120 ml of 60% alcohol and 80 ml of 10% alcohol is mixed to get 200 ml of 40% alcohol. Now here we have a different kind of problem. In what proportion we have to mix 90% of X solution with 50% of same solution to get 80% of X solution. This one we'll solve it with alligation method. So let's see, what is the required strength? It is 80%, right? And at the top right, it goes 50, which is the lower strength, and on the left side it is 90, which is the higher strength. And so required strength minus lower strength, which is 30, and 10 is higher strength minus required strength. 90 minus 80, 10. There 80 minus 50, 30. So now we have got 30 and 10. So 30 parts of 90% mixed with 10 parts of 50%. Now this would give us a ratio of 30:10. And when we simplify this ratio, we'll get 3:1. And that is the proportion we require. So the answer is 3:1.